Hello everyone, everyone has heard about the stock market. Today I want to tell you about 5 facts about stock markets. Let's go. Number 1, most expensive share. The most expensive share in the world is Warren Buffett's Class A Hathaway, which is priced at $13,330 per share. The reason for such a high price is that the company does not split shares. Number 4, bear and bull. It is believed that the terms bear and bull come from the way each animal attacks, when the bull throws its horn into the air and the bear down. Historically, middlemen have speculated on the future price of bear skins, selling them ahead of time before the bear was caught, in the expectation that the price would fall. In the past, intermediaries were called bears, or in short, bears, which are known to describe a downturn in the market. Number 3, New York Stock Exchange. NYSE LLC, formerly known as the American Stock Exchange (Amex), was originally the New York Mercantile Exchange until 1953. Because brokers traded their belongings from the sidewalk of New York. Number 2, oldest stock exchange. The oldest stock exchange in the world is the Amsterdam Stock Exchange, which was founded in 1602 by the Dutch East India Stock and Bond Company. Number 5. The Bombay Stock Exchange in India has the largest number of listed companies in the world with approximately 5,689 companies. The National Stock Exchange of India has about 1,750 companies.